Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to save big on your online shopping in 2025? Today, I'm going to show you the latest Temu coupon codes that can get you up to 90% off plus a $200 coupon bundle to maximize your savings. Stick around because I'll show you how to grab these deals before they disappear. Let's be honest. Everyone loves saving money, but most of us miss out on the biggest discounts because we don't know where to look. That's where Temu comes in. Temu is an online shopping platform with millions of products at unbeatable prices, and with the right coupon codes, you can save a ton on everything from electronics to fashion. Here's why Temu is worth checking out. Massive discounts. Save up to 90% off on thousands of items. $200 coupon bundle. Stack extra coupons on your orders for maximum savings. Wide product selection. From gadgets and home goods to clothing and beauty products. Temu has it all. Fast and secure, checkout, shop safely and conveniently with multiple payment options. Now let's talk coupon codes for 2025. Temu 90, save up to 90% off selected products. Temu Bundle 200, grab the $200 coupon bundle for extra savings. Save 50, additional 50% off on limited time promotions. If these codes don't work, don't worry. I've included a special link in the description that automatically applies the best available discount, so you never miss a deal. Pro tip, these offers are limited time only, and Temu updates its promotions frequently. If you wait too long, you could miss out on these huge savings. That's why I recommend clicking the link in my description right now to grab your coupons. Another tip, combine your coupon codes with seasonal sales to maximize your savings and get the best deals on your favorite products. So that's it. If you want to save up to 90% and get a $200 coupon bundle, click the link in the description to start shopping with Temu today. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more money-saving hacks, and comment below with your favorite Temu product. I'd love to see what deals you're grabbing. Remember, every online purchase is an opportunity to save big, and with these Temu coupon codes, it's easier than ever. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.